Hi dear Virgos, a very good morning to you guys. So this is a general love reading till 10th of May, from 1st of May till 10th of May. Okay, so I'll tap into your partner's current energy, your current energy, their feelings for you, what they want from you, and what to expect from them till 10th of May. Okay, so your partner's current energy, Virgo, is your partner's current energy. The Tower. This is kind of sudden realization or a shocking event. Might be they are going through something very shocking in their life right now, or might be something fell apart in their life. There's something that is not working out in their favor, and they might suddenly realize something. There is sudden kind of realization in their zone, in their world. Let's clarify the Tower as the energy. So there's something that is falling apart in their life, and might be this is something that they were working very hardly on. Let's clarify the Tower. Okay, let's clarify the Tower. This is the Seven of Pentacles and the Justice and the King of Pentacles. Okay, I feel like they were waiting for something to happen. Like, this is the Seven of Pentacles. They were waiting for something to happen from a very long time. Might be regarding a business situation or money situation or something like that. But yes, might be something legal. They were might be going through something legal, some legal kind of situation, some separation or divorce might be, or could also be possible. But it is like something that I can see business wise. So they were going through some kind of legal issues in their business, in their life, in their financial world, and this is something that came out as very shockingly. This gave them a lot of shock. This gave them a kind of shocking news. So I feel like whatever they were waiting for, and there was some kind of legal thing or courtroom drama thing happened, and this person was fighting for their money or their business or something like that, and the result came out as shocking. They were not expecting this result. It could also be positive, it could also be negative, but there's something that happened very unexpectedly in their life, and they are going through a shocking zone right now. They are in shock right now. So this is a reading from 1st of May till 10th of May. Keep this in mind. If this is not happening right now, it will eventually happen. And if this is not your story, because this is a general love reading, so it might or might resonate with all of you Virgos. Okay, keep this in mind. So your current energy, Virgo, your current energy is the Empress. Wow. You are just working on yourself. You are looking happy. You are looking beautiful. You are working on your job, your business, your own things, your luxurious life. You are working on your beauty. You are going to parlor. So basically, you are empowering yourself. You are pampering yourself. You are making yourself look like a princess, look like an empress, and you are just not giving a shit to the world. You are just working on yourself. You are happy in your own life, you are happy in your own zone, or might be you are in the beauty sector, you are might be working in a salon, or you are having your own salon, or whatever it is, but you are working on yourself and you're looking good, smelling good, feeling good right now. You are just feeling empowered. The Empress is very empowered, beautiful energy, flirty energy also as well. So I feel like you might be flirting with people as well. Okay, so let's clarify the Empress, the Chariot, Ten of Pentacles, and the Strength. Very good. You could be dealing with a Leo, or Libra also came in your reading when I clarified your partner's energy. So I feel like you are moving on from something. You are moving on towards success, and you are moving on with very determined energy. This is Leo energy. This is kind of telling me that you are acting very courageous. So basically the Chariot is telling me that you are moving on from something in your life, and you are moving on very courageously. You are not giving a shit or fuck to the world. You're not looking that side, you're not looking that side. You are just focused on your money, your happiness, your world, your own business, your own things. Okay, right now you're not giving a shit to anybody else. You are just empowering yourself. You are moving on very courageously, and this is the Strength card, and you are gaining all the strength of the feminine world. To me, Strength is a very powerful card. This is courageous card, but it is like soft energy, it is soft strength. Okay, So you are moving on with a masculine. This is the chariot energy, the masculine energy, and the strength, the feminine energy. So you are moving on with lots of positive and female and male both kind of energies are there. Sometimes you are very soft, sometimes you are like determined like a warrior that I have to do it. So whatever you are doing it with balance, and you are moving on from something, and you are moving on towards abundance and happiness, working on your own happiness. This is beautiful. Okay, Virgo, so let's see what your person's feelings for you are. Five of Swords. I feel like this person is going through hell lot of conflicts in their life. I told you so, Virgo. They are going through some kind of shocking event in their life right now. Legally, they are battling about with something. So the Five of Swords is telling me there is some kind of ego battle going on in their life. They are kind of playing mind games maybe, and they are acting very egoistic, and they are playing mind games with you, and they are feeling like they are victorious, they are feeling victorious, that they are feeling like yes, they have won this fight, they have won over you. Something was there that was like fine. This person is a big time egoistic person, and they play mind games a lot, and they are very a big time player might be. Basically this person is fighting a very conflicting person. So let's clarify, their feelings for you are like kind of blocked right now. I feel like this person is feeling like what if I had a fight with this Virgo, I won this situation, I won the war, I won this argument, and I am feeling victorious. Although this is a foolishness, although this is like might be you are backing off, you are feeling like I don't want to play mind games and I don't want to be in this shit anymore, but this person is feeling victorious about this thing. I don't know why. So let's clarify the Five of Swords. hmm. So this is the Four of Swords, the Eight of Cups, and the Nine of Pentacles. Their feelings right now are of, I told you, this person is might be this person is holding back a lot. They are trying to walk away, and they are just wanting to work on themselves, their own business. Because I feel like Virgo, they are going through a lot in their life financially, and that is why they're just trying to hold back. They're just trying to contemplate. They're just trying to meditate, breathe, and they just want to, for the time being, they just want to walk away from everything and anything that is causing them emotional pain or mental pain, and they're just working on themselves. They are trying to work on themselves, and that is why might be they are fighting with you deliberately, because they feel like they need some space, some time, some kind of off from this emotional drama thing in their life. That is what is happening. But they are fighting with you, they are playing mind games with you, because they want space. This is weird. Okay, so let's see what they want from you, Virgo. What they want from you is Five of Cups. They want you to go away. I don't know what. They want you to miss them, and they want you to talk to them. This is what is happening. They are might be playing the reverse psychology game here, Virgo. To be very honest, they want you to miss them, and they want you to realize their value, and they want you to maybe talk to them. This is what is happening. Lots of mind games going on here. So let's clarify the Five of Cups, Virgo. Let's clarify the Five of Cups. Temperance, Five of Cups again, and the Three of Wands. Yes, this person wants you to balance out this emotional situation, to balance out this connection. And they want you to, after balancing out this situation, I feel like this person is doing everything deliberately, because they want you to feel alone, feel sad, and they want you to wait over them, or they want you to go back to them, because I feel like this person is turning their back towards you. Okay, and this person wants you to miss them, and you to talk to them about this particular connection, Virgo. Very weird. This person is weird. Okay, so let's see what to expect from this person. They are waiting on you. They are waiting on you to communicate with them that you miss them, that you are feeling alone without them, but there's reverse game going on here. Lots of mind games going on here, Virgo. Okay, let's see what's coming towards you till the end of till 10th of May. Okay, sorry. The Fool, a brand new beginning, a brand new beginning from all angles, I can say. So this person, although they are waiting on you to go towards them and talk to them and say them that you miss them and you want them and you blah 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 blah, but they will realize, this is kind of sudden realization. I told you, they will eventually realize that no, they should go to you, they should come back to you, and they should talk to you. So there is a brand new beginning in this situation, in this connection from their side. They are going to offer you something very very beautiful. Let's start all over again. Let's start from scratch, and they want to start this journey again. Let's clarify the Fool, because there is sudden realization, no, the Virgo is not coming towards me, I should go back to them, they fear losing you. Okay, and the Fool, let's clarify the Fool. Queen of Wands, Queen of Pentacles, and the Seven of Swords. So I feel like this person is dealing with two person at the same time, Virgo. Now, and they are hiding this from you. They are hiding the truth from you. There is some hidden energy there. There is some truth that will be revealed to you. I feel like this person is now coming towards you and they are telling you about this another person in their life and they want to start all over again with you. This is the whole story, Virgo. This is the whole story, Virgo. That is what is happening. Okay. Oh God, fine. So I feel like if this person is dealing with two people at the same time, one of the person that they are attached with will eventually know about the other person. Okay, but they will. I feel like they are trying to leave somebody else and start this connection with you. Oh God, this is heavy energy. This is very heavy energy. So this person is although they are coming towards you with this brand new beginning of with this offer of a brand new beginning in this connection, I feel like this person will eventually tell you something, or there will be something that will come out to light. Or it could also be possible that you are dealing with two person at the same time, and this will be shocking to them, that they will eventually know that you are dealing with another person as well, Virgo, in your life. And that is why they may be shocked, but there's something that will be revealed to the other party, to one or the other, to you or maybe to them. You know better, Virgo. Okay, so let's pull one card from the Love Oracle deck and see what is coming towards you till 10th of May, Virgo. Karmic relationship, fleeting triggers, turmoil, resentment, lessons, letting go, and loving you. I feel like this is a karmic relationship. This will end or this will start all over again. Might be you learned your lesson from this relationship and you are just trying to move on from this relationship, from this particular connection. I told you so. Okay, so this is the karmic relationship. I feel like you are moving on and you are trying to move on with some other person, Virgo. So Virgo, thank you so much for tuning in, and let me know in the comment section below how it resonates with you. This is Anjali Tarot. Namaste. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thank you.